Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to manage photo location tags on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the camera app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here just tap on more settings. Now if you enable the location toggle from here and if you capture a photo, the location info will be saved in the photo and video details. Just like that. As you can see, when we capture a photo and if we tap on the eye icon at the top of our smartphone, it will show the location details with our photo. And if we disable this option, and if we capture a photo, now from here just tap on the eye icon at the top of our smartphone. Now as you can see, the location info has disappeared from the image. And this is how you can manage photo location tags on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.